most welcome to you all defense aspirants and defense officers, future defense officers। तो आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल डिफेंस स्पेस में। तो आज का टॉपिक जो है, टुडेज टॉपिक इज एंशियंट पोर्ट्स। तो आज की हम वीडियो में देखेंगे जो एंशियंट पोर्ट्स से जो रूलर्स से वो इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे थे बहुत ही एंशियंट टाइम से। फ्रॉम वी कैन सी हड़प्पन टाइम से ही इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट चल रहा था। फॉर एक्सपोर्टिंग एंड इंपोर्टिंग गुड्स देयर इज नीड टू बी अ पोर्ट्स। सो सच पोर्ट कैन बी can we can see in this video. So what happen is recently UPSC is going to ask such a type of question where it asks the rulers ancient ports related to rulers, how who travelers, what travelers say about that ruler. Like previous time they asked about the who which travelers asks this for a Vijayanagar Empire. So that type of question are going asking in UPSC CDS exam. So जो हमारा टॉपिक है, चलते हैं, लेट्स कम टू द टॉपिक एंशियंट पोर्ट्स। जैसा कि मैंने मैप में दिया हुआ है, जैसे यहाँ पे बहुत सारी पोर्ट्स हैं, तो कौन सा पोर्ट किस डायनेस्टी से बिलोंग करता है ये भी आपको ध्यान रखना होगा। और वीडियो को पूरा देखें, आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा जब तक मैं समझाऊंगा नहीं, सिंपली है। सो हेयर फर्स्ट वी कम टू द नॉर्थ इंडिया। हेयर यू कैन सी द पोर्ट सोपारा and Port Tamralipti. These two ports are very important, and these two ports belongs to Gupta period. Chandragupta Maurya, this Chandragupta second of Gupta ruler, they used to trade with these ports only. That is Sopara port, Tamralipti port, it is near Kolkata, Hooghly port, today's Hooghly port, and Lothal port is there. And in these three ports only you can know about the Gupta period. So let's come to South India. So in South India there is three ruler in South India. Predominantly there are three ruler. These are Chera here, Chola here, and Pandyas is here. So Chera is here, let's make Chola is here, and Pandya. So for Cheras, the important port is Mujuri, and for Cholas important port, these are Kaveri Patnam and Four. This is the port, and Arekmadu is there, Kaveri Patnam is there. These are the port from which Chola used to trade. And what about Pandya? For Pandya, the port is Thutikodi. It is not shown there, so I can write only Thuti Kodin, something like that, Thuti Kodi or Thuti Kodin. This is the port for Pandyas. So one thing is more, symbol of these three rulers respectively. For Cheras, the symbol is for Cheras bow. Bow is the symbol of Chera, and fish is the symbol of Pandya, and lion is the symbol of Cholas. The things you should know about the Pandya and Chera, Pandya and Chola. That the Chera symbol is bow, Pandya symbol is Pandya's Chola's symbol is lion. Chola symbol is lion. They are a lion, and Pandya symbol is fish. Okay, and the port. Let's come revise ports कौन से थे. So Chera used to trade with the Mujiri port. Pandyas is there. So Pandya Thutikodin, Cheras Mujiri, and Cholas from Kaveri Patnam, and Foar and Arekmadu is there. Arekmadu, you should know about that, Arekmadu. And for Gupta period, the important port is uh, uh, Tamralipti. Sorry, important port is Tamralipti. They are used to trade with this port for in South East Asia, and also from Iran and Arabia they are used to trade. So दिस इज़ द टॉपिक ऑफ द डे। सो आई होप इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट। आपको इससे कुछ गेन हुआ होगा। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो।